Japet. I'm turning 20 soon, so before I say goodbye to my teenage years, I decided to take myself on a 50 solo dates. Welcome to solo date number 3. Kusog kayo ang ulan, guys. So I can't really go outside. Dito ko gawas-gawas. So, instead of being sad about it, why not learn something new, diba? Today's mission is simple. I have here old linen spoon. So let's turn this into something new. Bag, Now, the question is, kabalo ka mo tahi? Dili. Kabalo ka unsa nga bag imong buhaton? No. So, that's the fun part. Di ta kabalo. Latay na hibaluan about ana. So, let's figure it out kung say mabuhat na to ani. Let's go.